Hi guys, welcome to my channels. Today is 2025, August 5th. This is Trading Night Crypto group, and welcome for the guys coming. And this is the time for Asia for trading, and it's also 9:22 a.m. in Beijing time. Welcome to the videos. So let's see about the yesterday's performance. We can see that the Bitcoin is much more bearish than the Ethereum. Ethereum is pretty bearish, and there is now testing the red line. You can see that 0.236 this areas is pretty bullish, but you can see that there's still a very strong supporting areas, and we must be careful, especially the Bitcoin. If they can just go through the you can see that the 0.618, this kind of the areas they can break through. Maybe it's the time to just go to the downward trend dramatically, and we need to be very cautious about it. So okay, let's see about yesterday's guys traders performance, and we suffered also Vivian. Let's see about Vivian. He give us a charts and this plan A and plan B. She said black is more probable than red, and considering Wednesday picks, if it touches 140 in trade day, we are gonna close on going short and reopen on Wednesday. If it goes first, we add it to it and let it down. Okay, so that is Vivi's idea. You can see that it's true charts. Okay. And let's see about the T2 contract swing chart yesterday. Okay, so just long the Ethereum and then just leave it. There's a little more offset. Total hedge position closing profit of 2020, 250, and Ethereum long, LTC long, XRP short, dog short, IN short, hedge position closed, no trades active. Well announced ANA when ready, and ANA long isn't my usual style of trading, and usually prefer taking a small L on the weekend. The drawdown as little more than my calculation, but I knew trade would work, so I chose to hedge and manage and close it. Apologize if it stressed you out on the weekend. Well, choose less variety of options going forward. And Ezra long isn't my usual style of trading. I usually prefer taking a small L on the weekend if it's deviation, and the drawdown was little more than the calculation. But I knew trade will work, and so I chose to hedge and manage and close it. Apologies if it stresses you out on this weekend. We'll choose less volatile options going forward. And it's just short ENA. Let's see. Okay, make profits, enjoy that. And tomorrow's trade can still Tuesday tonight. And okay, so that is just yesterday's performance about Vivian. And let's see about Woods. Okay, the Woods is making a good performance because it's long the Ezra and the Solana and all make a great profit. And you can see I just give some analyze charts, offset lines being here. If you want to position over the weekend or into this morning, no need to feel formal. We fully locked in on bottom snipes. I will cycle around for the higher low at 130. I'm anticipating on Bitcoin after the Monday ranges from offset lines being taken here. If you wouldn't position over the weekend or into this morning, just be formal. Okay, and just focus on the have the same similar idea with Johnny, and it would be a nice bomb that sweep play. Taking things a bit slow after closing, it would make a nice Monday sweep play. Beautiful weekend plays, you can see that. And more very great profits, okay? That is what I here. And okay, let's see about Daniel. Daniel yesterday do a stream. I'm having a bad help in the shows because I truly do want to help you. I'm not this easy serious, but I try my best to explain it in ways to be more easily understood, and sometimes that means I need to repeat myself. Okay, and my estimate invalidation was Bitcoin losing support, which happened and closed my altcoin for a loss. This one was more than the EW and the VAL, was more of a swing trade entry, OFC being invalidated now because that was the last major low of the uptrend, which is 1.1 we're referring to. For more, it's the fact here, so many loans open it down at the lows. I feel that they will get stopped at. It's many market structures and the overall market context. We just break out from a key support and the new shorts are opening with local MS bearish. We say that it's a strong breakdown and expect lower. If we just reclaim and confirm the failed auction and then are trap shorts or for a long setup in the time through, I would use overall market context helping me if we have just those major support and lower targets that are on hits, then OI increase with new shorts. It's in fact in bearish years. This is negative data, yes, but it's all on AI decreases. It was just longs getting stopped out. And 120,000 is a big round number, and 112,000 is also a round of big round numbers. So, yes, is what I would like to see on this order flow. Some active data with LI increases into the support zone and any SFP equal to the loan for me. And it just show the chart. You can see the NPOCs is around 180,000, and you can see that New York are open. It's very bullish. Okay, so that's the standing side here. Let's see about team. Team just give an analyze. You think as then it could have been a technical bounce. It was definitely a place to look for longs. Many icons was confluent with the key levels they need to hold a Bitcoin target at that level. However, it does make sense to look for short hairs. I'm not triggered into my M50 plus really yet, but I'm paying attention. No try I rush in aggressively on the wrong day. Let's see how it plays out today and the plan from there. Okay, so as that could have been a technical bounce, it was definitely a place to look for longs. Many altcoins were confluent with the key levels that needed to hold as a Bitcoin targeted level. However, it does make sense to look for shorts here. I'm not triggered into my any M50 plus really yet, but I'm paying attention. Not sure I will rush aggressively on Monday. Let's see how it plays out today and plan from there. Okay, so this is the team's idea. So that is all of today's shares with you guys are interested in our society and want to have an experience on that, just contact with me. We all have a free experience for our society. If you really like it, you can just join our formal membership, and our price is still very cheap and just have a valuable just comparing to another society. So that is all of the sharing today. I hope you enjoy your day and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.